Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to unbox the limited edition by Asos and the brand Ouai, but I also have a couple of products that I purchased from UK and they were sent to my friend who was kindly enough to ship them here. So if you want to see what is on this box and also what else I've purchased recently from Boots, then just keep watching. Asos is a huge online retailer. They ship worldwide, but they have a monthly beauty box. This is not a subscription. You can buy this box if you want. In every beginning of the month they release it on their website and it tends to sold out quite fast because the price is usually around £12, can go up to 15. They had in the past collaborations with Bobbi Brown, with Clinique and other high-end brands, so then might go the price a bit up, but this particular box in collaboration with Ouai retails for £12 plus shipping. Also, if you are in UK, you can pay a fee per year and you are entitled for getting free shipping in every orders from Asos. So also next day delivery. Unfortunately, they used to sell those boxes within Europe. I don't know if something changed because my last Asos beauty box was purchased months ahead. They were not so exciting to me, and when I seen this box I wanted to have it, but I was surprised to see that they are not shipping to Czech Republic anymore. So I'm not sure if it is this box because it contains some aerosols inside, or they have changed their policy and none of the boxes are shipped to Europe. I will let you know next month if there will be some interesting beauty box and I will be able or not to purchase it. I will comment down below on the description or I will pinpoint a comment. But right now this box was delivered only to UK. Right now it is sold out because it passed a long time since I purchased it until it arrived to me. It was sent to my dear friend here on YouTube. You know her as Lotte, so I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much, Lotte, for making this happening to me, because otherwise I couldn't been able to purchase this box and have it with me to show you on my channel for this month. So this is their August beauty box. As I told you, retails for £12. And let's see what we have inside. If by any chance I missed something, I will have it linked down below on the description box. And here we have the product and a short leaflet information, but doesn't tell you anything about the prices. And all the products that are in this box, they are available on their website. So this month Asos beauty box, it's all about Ouai, the hair, body and fragrance brand by celebrity hairstylist Jen Atkin. I had no idea about this. With a bounty of hair and body care, treats designed to pamper, maintain and style. We are saying yes, Ouai, to the next level pampering. Kicking things off is the scalp and body scrub. Okay, so this is the scalp and body scrub. And we got here, how much? 1 ounce, so 30 grams. Designed to be used once a week, the foaming sugar crystal ingredients get to work exfoliating, cleansing and softening the skin and scalp, while probiotics help boost the skin's natural defenses. Oh, I love the smell. It's really fresh, but not that fresh. It has a bit of a sweet fragrance to it. Really nice. I don't think so that I am going to use this for my hair because it's really thick, so you can tell that I am keeping it upside down and nothing goes out. But I'm gonna use to exfoliate my body because I need some good exfoliation. I have some self-tan applied and I want to take it down. So first, this is the first product. After a deep scrub, it's always a good idea to rehydrate your skin, and Ouai's body cream has just the stuff. A indulgent, velvety soft whipped texture. It's full of hydrating cupuaçu butter. This is in Portuguese, so it should be some Brazilian or Portuguese stuff. Coconut oil and the antioxidant squalene. I just opened this morning my last tube of body cream. I had no idea that I'm so short on body lotions. So it's really pleasant fragrance, not too overpowering, and yeah, the scent is totally different from the scrub, but I like it. Really soft and subtle. It will make you feel really hydrated, so I just apply it to my hand and I love the feeling. Next up, we've got to the Wave Spray, a weightless mist infused with rice protein that adds hold and texture for that straight from the beach finish. Okay, so this is our body. Okay, it had a cap, but it happened that right today my hair is braided, so I cannot test it to my hair. So this is their Wave Spray Ondulation. This is perfect for me, exactly what I need. 1 ounce. Oh, I love it. Then there is a award-winning texturing hairspray which offers amazing volume while volcanic minerals wouldn't absorb oil for refreshed looks in a fraction of time. Wear salt. Okay, so this is the texturing hairspray. Maybe. Not that I need too much texture to my hair, but anyway, why a girl like me cannot use a texturing spray? So yeah, guys, maybe because this is aerosol and this is probably also considered as an aerosol, this box was not able to be shipped in Europe because usually their boxes were shipped there. So I don't know, we will see next month. And the last two products, there are two perfumes samples, so they are. Lastly, this amazing box includes two eau de perfume. The Merlot's Place fragrance features bergamot, lychee, cedarwood and white musk, and North Bondi is a fresh and beachy little number with notes of blackberry, amber, patchouli, lily and lots more. So probably the North Bondi will be my favorite. Merlot's Place, North Bondi. I really love the Merlot's Place. It's now I'm a bit surrounded because of the scents that I've got from the texturizing and volumizing spray, or wave spray, but oh yes, the North, how is it called? North Bondi. It's my absolute favorite. So yeah, this is everything we've got on the August Asos and Ouai beauty box. So we've got a body cream, a hair and body scrub, a wave spray ondulation, a texturing spray, hairspray, sorry, and two little sample of perfumes. Everything for £12 plus shipping if you don't have the annual subscription to their website. So you also next day delivery. Why I'm showing you this? Because you maybe are new to this channel, maybe you are new to the ASOS, you didn't know that they are doing beauty boxes. So for next month you'll be more proactive if you are interested to check their beauty boxes, or if you are like me, a beauty box geek and you want to get every box that is possible out there, then just check their website. In the beginning of each month they are releasing these boxes. But yeah, this is all from ASOS. Now, because I was still going to get this shipment, I asked my friend if I can purchase some more goodies from Boots, because I wanted from a long time to try some number 7 products. I got the Airbrush Away translucent finishing powder. I'm not sure if this is the powder that Jessica Brown raves about, because I think the Boots in UK is a bit different. Her powder was linked from a Target, if I'm not wrong, or what is the other name? Walgreen or Walmart, whatever. However, look the wonderful packaging. And then you have a mirror, and this is the powder, which is the translucent one. And I am getting this because Jessica said that it's really good for setting your under eye concealer, and sometimes I'm a bit bothered by the fact that the setting powder is too messy, so I wanted to try something else for my under eyes. The second product that I purchased, also from number 7, is their Airbrush Away foundation. So those are from the same line, now I realized. And this was in sales on their website when I purchased it. I have it on the shade Cool Ivory, and right now it's a bit light for me, but is it not bad? So this is how it looks like. It's a frosted glass. It is not transparent, I think. I might be wrong. And it is provided with a pipette. And I'm wearing it today, so if you are interested to see how it applies, I will link this video when it will be available. Unfortunately, not within next 2 weeks, or maybe even longer. Then I've seen, actually this is the first product that I wanted to get, their Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation. Instantly younger and healthier looking skin. It has medium coverage and SPF 50. And is suitable for all skin types. Okay, so this is also a bit lighter now, but don't forget that we are in the summer, and I made that mistake that I'm purchasing foundations on the summer, and we only have summer here for 2 months, and then I get back to my actual pale complexion, so this will match me for sure in a couple of months. And I'm planning to do a review and wear test for this foundation, so stay tuned and give it a thumbs up if you want to see that. The last product that I purchased is the Match Made Concealer, which is a stick concealer. And it's sealed. Okay, so that's why. She made it. She finally opened it. So this is a stick concealer. Looks like a lipstick. This concealer, I didn't use it today because I'm wearing and doing a review for another concealer, but I'm planning to use it soon, and I will let you know either on my favorite video, or maybe I'll do another makeup or get ready with me. And finally, I got another product from ASOS with the same order from a beauty box, but just I forgot. So I've got the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye by Super Liner. Probably the shade is black eyeliner, yeah. And it has this, I would say, shark wing that is supposed to help you place your line. I don't find this really a necessity for me, and I use it today. It's quite nice. I would have preferred to be a bit more intense, or maybe this is happening because I have here on my middle part of the lid, I have very vibrant shimmery shade, so I was feeling that it's not going so smooth on that area, but other than that, I had no problem to drag my wing, and yeah, so far it doesn't smudge. So I will see by the end of the day if it is going to smudge on me or not, but usually I don't have problems with eyeliner smudging on me. this is all for today. This is my beauty box from ASOS that I purchased with the help of my friend Lotte. I will link her channel down below if you want to check her out, and I want to thank her again for helping me and getting these products and ship them all the way from UK to me here on Czech Republic. But other than that, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great blessed day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Have a great one. Bye bye. Mwah.